What happened to us? Youth day. Youth of today is mean. We forget who we are. We kill each other. Blood is flowing like a river without canyon. What happened to us? We live by knife and gun. We kill, we rape and abuse. We are so heartless. Life out there is scary. We can't go out at night. We are scared of youth of today. The moon turned red and the thread started growing. Love faded away. Happiness was long gone. What happened to us as a nation? Okay guys, thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. Please like, subscribe and share, don't forget, guys. And thank you for following me. I promise you that from now on I will continue to make videos of my poems and upload them here on my YouTube channel. Thank you guys, thank you so much for watching.